Best natural gas or electric pool heater for an 18-foot above ground vinyl salt cell system pool. I live in the Pacific Northwest Seattle area. I have an Intex 18-foot by 52-inch ultra frame pool. Last year I used only a couple of solar panels to solar panel heaters to bump the temp and was disappointed. This year, I'd like to start by heating the pool with a real heater and then help maintain the heat with the solar panel heaters. We have a natural gas hookup near the pool that could be used, but I am interested in knowing what is the most cost effective, both in purchase price and in monthly usage. Also noting that our pool is a saltwater system with a salt cell needs to be considered as well. Any input you can offer would be greatly appreciated.
So I don't know that there is any one heater that I would recommend that much more than another. We're talking on the small scale of a heater. If this is an 18 round by 52-inch tall walls, you're at 150,000 BTUs tops, if not less. I would stay with one of the main ones. So we have Hayward makes a decent heater, Jandy makes a decent heater, Pentair makes a decent heater, Rheem makes a decent heater. That's the old Ray Pack. Lochinvar makes a good heater, but that's a more expensive option. I think you would want to just look at each of the benefits of each one of them and BTU output rating. Because while you may have a gas line there, is it adequate to supply enough gas to that heater to make it work? So the very first place I think that I would start is to find out how big the gas line is, how long of a gas line run it is from where you say it's located by the pool back to the meter. And once you determine the size of that, figure out how much gas can get through there and buy a heater based on that, because I suspect that you're going to, because heaters are more efficient now, you're going to have to go with the smallest or one of the smallest heaters on the market to be able to even run it with that gas line. So I would do some research before and then pick one of the main 3 or 4 companies and look at what is going to be required in terms of the amount of gas. But I suspect because heaters are so much better now that they require more gas, so you're probably going to have to drop the BTU rating, and likely it's going to end up being the one that has the smallest, and I can't tell you that right now.